Welcome to another installment of ShipWatch, where today we're going to be checking out Green Maveric. Green Maveric is a reefer ship that is designed to carry refrigerated cargo all over the globe. Reefer ships are used for transporting perishable cargo overseas. This climate-controlled form of transit is vital for many products: meat, fish, dairy and vegetables. Anything that risks spoilage. Reefer ships are specially designed to provide temperature-controlled transportation, which has huge demand in the shipping world. Flying the flag of the Bahamas, this 31-year-old vessel was built under the popular Dutch manufacturer Yard van Diepen Shipyard, managed by Green Management of Poland whilst being owned by Green Shipping of Oslo, Norway. Taking a look at the impressive overall size of Green Maveric, we can see she has an overall length of 135.7 meters and a breadth of 15.85 meters. Boasting a summer dead weight of around 6,105 tons and a gross tonnage of 5,103 tons. Green Maveric was formerly known just as Maverick, but due to the change of ownership to the managing company Green Management, she was officially renamed to Green Maverick. This vessel frequently ports all over the globe, with some of the most common locations being Las Palmas of Spain, Natal of Brazil as well as Dover of the UK. However, Green Management states their main trading areas are the Atlantic, Mediterranean Sea, Gulf of Mexico and the Baltic region. We were surprised to learn that back in 2017 transport of fresh produce by sea grew by 5% to 116 million tons, and reefer traffic saw its share of this grown by a further 8%. However, this means we have seen the traditional open-top cargo vessel losing market share. The repercussions of this shift in the shipping market means that since 2000 the traditional cargo-carrying vessel has now lost over 55% of their business. Whilst there is approximately 700 reefer vessels worldwide, as of 2019 56% of the shipping of refrigerated cargo business was carried out by just 15 of the largest vessels. Recent surveys and studies suggest that a high number of original reefer-style ships have been scrapped already or are due to be in the coming years, due mainly to the fact the older vessels tend to be less efficient and more costly to run, as the maritime world looks to go more eco-friendly. This process started shortly after the pandemic, where we saw a handful of the reefers saying farewell and sailing their last journeys. With her latest owners shifting to more economical vessels, there is a strong chance we could be expecting that her days may also be numbered, as the managing companies have already made announcements for the introduction of some of the newest and most energy-efficient vessels to be added to their fleet as of 2024. Green Maveric is a true workhorse of the seas. Was first built in 1993 in the Netherlands with a power-hungry engine of 6,600 kW. This powerful engine gives her plenty of oomph to sail in rougher seas with ease. If you have any information or stories to share relating to this vessel, please drop them in the comments below, as we would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please drop us a like and consider subscribing for more. Until next time, we'll leave you with some final stunning footage.